it's Cynthia. I hope you're doing well. We've been out on a lot of listing appointments in the last couple of months, which is pretty typical for the winter months as we prepare for the spring market in 2025. I wanted to bring something up to you that you may not be aware of. In our area of North Carolina, square footage is super important. We have to follow strict guidelines. So what we do is we hire a licensed appraiser to go to your home, make sure that we're not missing any square footage and that everything looks good. And then we provide floor plans for the listing so that some of our more detailed clients can see how their furniture might be placed in a home. Anyway, I wanted to let you know this because a lot of our sellers did not know this when I went to meet them recently, and I thought it would be good, valuable information for you. If you are thinking about selling your home in 2025, now is the time to call us, email us, DM us, whatever you need to do, but we are getting listings ready for next year already. Hope everything's well. See you soon.